Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a hobbyist, designer, engineer, student, or someone looking to bring creative ideas to life, a quality 3D printer can completely transform the way you build and create. Today's 3D printers are faster, smarter, and easier to use than ever before, offering automatic calibration, AI-powered features, multicolor printing, and incredible print quality right out of the box. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers on Amazon in 2026. From beginner-friendly models to high-speed professional machines, we've selected the best options for every budget and experience level. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Official Creality K2 Combo. The official Creality K2 Combo is one of the most advanced consumer 3D printers available in 2026. Built for makers who demand speed, precision, and multicolor printing, the K2 Combo features Creality's color filament system, allowing seamless multi-material and multicolor printing without complicated manual filament changes. With printing speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, a 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, fully automatic bed leveling, an enclosed heated chamber, and an AI-powered monitoring camera, this printer is designed for both beginners and experienced creators. Its generous build volume of 10.24 by 10.24 by 10.24 inches provides plenty of space for larger projects while maintaining exceptional print quality. Pros: multicolor printing with CFS, extremely fast 600 mm per second printing, AI monitoring camera, fully automatic leveling, 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, large and closed build chamber. Cons: premium price, larger footprint requires more workspace. Overall, the Creality K2 Combo delivers outstanding speed, reliability, and professional-grade features, making it our best overall 3D printer for 2026. Number 2. AOSEED X-Maker Joy AI Plus 3D Printer. The AOSEED X-Maker Joy AI Plus is an excellent beginner-friendly printer designed specifically for kids, families, and classrooms. This fully enclosed printer prioritizes safety while still delivering impressive printing speeds of up to 400 millimeters per second. One-click Wi-Fi setup and app control make it incredibly easy to operate, while leveling-free printing eliminates one of the biggest frustrations beginners often face. With access to more than 8,000 printable models and 8 included PLA filament colors, users can begin creating toys, educational projects, and STEM activities almost immediately. Pros: safe and closed design, very beginner-friendly, no manual leveling required, fast 400 mm per second printing, Wi-Fi app control, includes 8 PLA filament colors. Cons: smaller build volume, limited to beginner and educational projects. If you're buying your first 3D printer for children or education, the AOSEED X-Maker Joy AI Plus is one of the best options available. Number 3. AI-powered 3D printer for kids. At number 3 is another excellent beginner-focused 3D printer that combines safety, simplicity, and AI-powered assistance. Arriving fully assembled, this printer is ready to use right out of the box. Automatic bed leveling, AI-assisted printing, and a built-in camera simplify the entire printing process while reducing setup time. With over 8,000 downloadable toy models and printing speeds up to 400 millimeters per second, it's an outstanding choice for young makers, schools, and families exploring 3D printing for the first time. Pros: fully assembled, AI-powered printing assistance, automatic leveling, safe and closed design, built-in monitoring camera, excellent STEM learning tool. Cons: smaller print area, limited material compatibility. If you're beginners who want an easy and safe introduction to 3D printing, this model delivers an enjoyable user experience. Number 4. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. Taking 4th place is the Flashforge Adventurer 5M, a high-performance Core XY printer designed for speed and precision. With fully automatic leveling and print speeds reaching 600 millimeters per second, the Adventurer 5M produces professional quality prints in significantly less time than many traditional printers. Its all-metal Core XY frame improves stability during high-speed operation, while the 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder supports a wide range of common filament materials. The detachable nozzle system also makes maintenance and nozzle replacement quick and simple. Pros: fast 600 mm per second printing, fully automatic leveling, Core XY all-metal frame, 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, easy detachable nozzle, excellent print quality. Cons: single color printing only. Open frame design offers less temperature control. For users wanting professional performance without stepping into premium pricing, the Adventurer 5M is an outstanding choice. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini with LED Lamp Kit. Rounding out our list is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, one of the easiest and most beginner-friendly 3D printers on the market. Designed around Bambu Lab's highly polished ecosystem, the A1 Mini includes full automatic calibration, active flow rate compensation, and seamless access to thousands of printable models through MakerWorld. Despite its compact size, it delivers excellent print quality while operating at noise levels as low as 48 decibels, making it ideal for apartments, offices, and classrooms. The included LED lamp kit also provides a fun first project right after setup. Pros: fully automatic calibration, beginner-friendly setup, excellent print quality, very quiet operation, compact design, access to MakerWorld model library. Cons: smaller build volume, limited to smaller projects. If you're looking for an easy-to-use printer with outstanding reliability, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists alike. That wraps up our top 5 list of the best 3D printers on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the best overall performance, the Creality K2 combo stands out with its multicolor printing, AI-powered features, and incredible 600 mm per second print speeds. For families and classrooms, the AOSEED X-Maker Joy AI Plus offers one of the easiest and safest ways to get started with 3D printing. And if you want professional-level speed in a compact package, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M is an excellent value. No matter your experience level, each of these 3D printers offers powerful features that can help bring your ideas to life faster and with greater precision than ever before. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you find the perfect 3D printer, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.